Hello and welcome to the Super Affiliate Funnel. I'm Bogdan, and you joined this program using my affiliate link, and this gives me the honor and responsibility to be your sponsor and guide. It's an honor because this simple fact that to join this platform means that you are an action taker and you not only dream about changing your future, but you have already rolled up your sleeves and taken the first step. This sets you apart from the crowd. And that's why I'm proud to be given the responsibility of welcoming you to the team and helping you get started on the right foot. I'm obviously not a native English speaker, so hopefully you will forgive my horrifically charming accent and we will manage to get along and get your online marketing business up and running by the end of this week. For this to happen as fast and smoothly as possible, we need to communicate. I need to make sure that my emails never end up buried in your spam folder. So please, right now, pause this video and whitelist my email address. Now, David Deckel, the creator of the Super Affiliate Funnel, is a top-level marketer. I personally don't like big words like genius or guru, but he is a very good online marketer. He knows what he's doing, and he is on the leaderboard of God Backup and other companies for a reason. He set up the Super Affiliate Funnel in a close to genius way, and I'm saying this mostly because of the bonus system he has put in place to speed up the conversion process. Why? Because you will basically take advantage of these bonuses twice. First, you will grab them for yourself. I trust your judgment and I can bet you won't leave $3,000 pure value on the table. Then, these bonuses will help you grow your business faster than any other marketing system out there. And speaking about bonuses, because now we are part of the same team, I want to add up even more than the Super Affiliate Funnels bonuses. I have access to a limited number of private invitations to a top-notch marketing academy. This is separate from the Super Affiliate Funnel and it's only for my team. You will get access for free, but these invitations expire in 72 hours and I want to make sure I won't waste them on people who are not really interested in learning the secrets of internet marketing. So, what I need you to do is to reply to my email and tell me that you want this invitation. I will manually send it to you from the Academy's platform and also notify you to check your email. They made things a little harder just to make sure that only the people who should get access to this information get inside the Academy. And believe me, what you get inside is priceless, and you won't find anything even close to this in this industry. Now, back to the Super Affiliate Funnel and starting your new online business on the right foot. Everything you have to do after you join is to lock up your dog, your spouse, your children, your mother-in-law, and any other living creature that may disturb you, grab a coffee, a pen, and a notebook, then take your time and follow all the steps inside the Super Affiliate Funnel in order. Basically, in less than 1 hour, you can have everything done. You will have your own online business up and running, your own money printing machine working for you almost on autopilot. See you inside. Can't wait to celebrate your success.